Welcome to Last Week in a Byte. My name is Denny Lee. I'm here to tell you the latest Delta Lake news and events about a week late. So let's start off and talk about Delta Rust 0.6.0 release that was released over the holidays. Oh, by the way, Happy New Year for 2023. It includes check invariants and support for Data Fusion 15. There are two awesome Delta blogs on AWS Glue and Polars. The Introducing Native Delta Lake Table support with AWS Glue crawlers was a part of the AWS Big Data blog, while the Polars blog, Reading Delta Lake Tables into Polars Data Frames, was released on the Delta I/O blog. I want to give a shout out to Mehdi for his wonderful YouTube and LinkedIn video on Python devs. It's time to get on the Rust bandwagon. In the newsletter, there's a link directly to both the blogs as well as the video here. And so just want to give Mehdi a shout out. Thanks very much. He also did a call out to me as well in one of the D3L2 sessions about the convergence of software and data engineering. Do you want to go ahead and watch how Delta Rust code is developed live? Well, look no further. R. Tyler Croy, also known as Agent Dero, he's a Delta Lake maintainer and director of platform engineering at Scrib. He, on a weekly basis, will go ahead and showcase Delta Rust code development live on Twitch. Last, but certainly not least, we want to give a shout out to Florian Valet. He's a Delta Lake maintainer and staff data engineer at Backmarket. He is Delta Lake's contributor of the month for his amazing work in Delta Rust and the Delta Python ecosystems. Florian, thank you very much for everything that you currently do and continue to do for the Delta Lake community. And that's it for this week's Last Week in a Byte. Hope to see you next week and hope your week treats you well. Have a good one.